Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Messenger unable to load camera roll problem. So if your photos aren't showing up in Messenger or you can't access your gallery, follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's dive in. Open your Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap Apps. Then tap Manage Apps or App Management, depending on your device. At the top, tap on the search bar and type Messenger, then select it from the list. Once you're inside the Messenger app settings, tap Force Stop and confirm by tapping OK. Then tap Storage. Here, tap Clear Data and select Clear Cache and confirm by tapping OK. Then tap Clear All Data and confirm by tapping OK. Now go back and tap on App Permissions. Make sure you allow all the necessary permissions, especially storage and media access, photos and videos, and make sure it's set to Allow. This ensures Messenger can access your gallery properly. This is very important because without these permissions, Messenger won't be able to load your camera roll. After that, open the Messenger app again and log into your account. Now tap the Photos icon inside Messenger and check your camera roll. Your photos should now load properly.